Hi, this is KYX Garage. Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive accessories. Today, we'll be discussing the top running boards for trucks, which not only provide easy access to your vehicle, but also enhance its overall look and functionality. So if you're in the market for the best running boards for your truck, stick around as we explore our top picks. Number 1. Introducing the ultimate upgrade for your truck, Bully Running Boards. These top-of-the-line running boards are designed to give your truck an instant boost in style and functionality. The heavy-duty construction ensures maximum durability, while the non-slip step pads offer superior traction and safety. Plus, with easy bolt-on installation, you can have your Bully running boards up and running in no time. Whether you're hitting the open road or just cruising around town, these running boards are the perfect addition to your truck. Upgrade your ride today with Bully Running Boards. Number 2. The TAC Running Boards, the ultimate solution for truck owners who demand both style and function. These running boards are designed with precision and built to last, providing you with reliable support and maximum convenience. With their sleek and rugged appearance, they make a bold statement on any truck, instantly upgrading its look and feel. The non-slip surface ensures safe entry and exit, while the easy installation process saves you time and effort. The TAC running boards are a must-have for any truck enthusiast looking to elevate their ride to the next level. Upgrade your truck today with the TAC running boards. Number 3. Dynasty running boards are an absolute game-changer for truck owners. The sleek and stylish design not only enhances the overall appearance of your vehicle but also provides a safe and convenient way to enter and exit your truck. The durable construction ensures that the running boards can withstand tough conditions and provide long-lasting performance. The easy installation process and custom fit make it a hassle-free upgrade to your truck. Dynasty running boards are a must-have for truck enthusiasts who want to elevate their driving experience. Don't settle for less when it comes to the safety and appearance of your truck. Choose Dynasty. Number 4. The KYX Running Boards are an absolute game-changer for truck owners. This exceptional product offers a perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality. Made with high-quality materials, the running boards provide superior traction and can withstand even the toughest weather conditions. The easy-to-install design ensures that your truck is up and running in no time. With its sleek and eye-catching appearance, the KYX running boards will undoubtedly make heads turn wherever you go. So, if you're looking for a reliable and stylish upgrade for your truck, look no further than KYX running boards. Number 5. Bison running boards are a game-changer for truck owners. These premium running boards are designed with durability and style in mind. They not only provide a sturdy step up into your vehicle, but they also add an eye-catching visual appeal. The high-quality construction of these running boards ensures they can withstand the toughest conditions, making them the perfect choice for any truck owner. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and practical addition to your truck, Bison running boards are an excellent choice. Don't hesitate to invest in these top-of-the-line running boards today. In conclusion, choosing the right running boards for your truck is crucial for convenience, safety, and style. With a wide range of options available in the market, it can be overwhelming to pick the best one. However, after reviewing some of the top running boards for trucks, we hope we have made your decision-making process a little easier. Whether you prioritize durability, ease of installation, or a sleek design, there is an option out there for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful in selecting the perfect running boards for your truck.